7-9 factoring quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c.
By Patricia Young, Maya Koda, and Dime Wu. Mrs. Hershey, periods 1, 2, and 5.
Factoring using the big X.
If you look at this equation, 5x squared plus x minus 4. Number 1, start filling in the x.
The first and last term multiplied together go on the top section. For this equation, the top section would be 5x squared times negative 4, which is negative 20x squared.
The second term is the bottom of the x. So for the expression 5x squared plus x minus 4, the term x would be at the bottom of the big X.
So the sections on the side of the big X are the two terms that add up to x and multiply to negative 20x squared.
In this case, the two terms would be negative 4x and 5x, because negative 4x plus 5x equals x, and negative 4x multiplied by 5x is equal to negative 20x squared.
Now, using the two terms on the sides, you can rewrite the equation 5x squared plus x minus 4. That goes 5x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 4.
Then you group and factor. 5x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 4. You group together 5x squared minus 4x and 5x minus 4. You can factor out an x, and it turns into x times 5x minus 4 plus 5x minus 4 times 1. So the two factors for that expression would be x plus 1 times 5x minus 4.
So 5x squared plus x minus 4 factored is 5x minus 4 times x plus 1.
Congrats! Next, 5x squared plus 30x plus 25. First of all, you have to remember to factor out any common denominators. For this expression, you can easily factor out a 5. So it would be 5 times x squared plus 6x plus 5.
Use the big X to factor x squared plus 6x plus 5 as shown, and then you group them together, so x times x plus 5 plus 1 times x plus 5 gets you x plus 1 times x plus 5.
However, you still need to multiply those 5 in, because that is only the factoring of x squared plus 6x plus 5 and not the original equation. So 5x squared plus 30x plus 25 is actually factored out to 5 times x plus 1 times x plus 5.
So the last equation is 15x cubed plus 45x squared plus 30, and then you factor out the 15x. So that becomes 15x times x squared plus 3x plus 2.
Now you can use the big X accordingly. Using the big X, you would get x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. Using grouping, you can factor that out to x times x plus 2 plus 1 times x plus 2. That finally factors out to x plus 1 times x plus 2. But you have to remember to multiply in 15x, because that is what you factored out from the original equation. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed.
Or not. Betty? What? I didn't. Fine.
So 5x squared plus x minus 4 factored is 5x minus 4 times x plus 1.
Congrats. Next problem. 5x squared plus 30x plus 25. First of all, you must remember to factor out any common denominators. So for this equation, you can easily factor out an x. I mean a 5. Oh my god!
So the expression 5x squared plus x minus 4 factored is 5x minus 4 times x plus 1. So the equation 5x squared plus x minus 4 factored is 5x minus 4 times x plus 1.
Now using the two terms on the sides, you can rewrite the equation 5x squared plus x minus 4 to 5x squared.
So lame.
Oh my god.